Hey you sexy bitches, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. And if you're new, hi, my name is Brenda. So today we are going to be talking about the Makeup Eraser makeup remover. So I've been on this journey of wanting to have a smaller print on this earth. So I've been trying to get rid of makeup wipes that just go into our landfill. I've been just trying to do, better myself and for our world. So it has been like maybe since February. I was like, I'm done of purchasing makeup wipes because I would honestly buy makeup wipes, the bag, like maybe in 1 month, maybe like 5 times or more, sometimes depending on how much makeup I would wear. And I was like, I gotta find something else. I can't keep doing this, wasting money like this, and it's not good for my environment. So I was like, I gotta do something else. So what I did was like, I think I'll finally purchase the makeup eraser. So I did. I bought two. I bought the black one and I got the pink one. And these retail for $20. And I got two of them and I got them on sale. And you can usually always get them on sale for like $10, which that was a steal because I got them for $10 each. And I was like, yes girl, let me get two. They claim that they are the most sustainable makeup remover product, and I do have to agree. It's the only one that I have seen, at least. They say that all you need is water and the makeup will be removed. And one side is to exfoliate and then the other one's just to take off your makeup. This is the side that you use to take off your makeup and this is the side to exfoliate. So it is very soft. It definitely removes the makeup and I actually really do like it. It's very soft. It doesn't irritate my skin. With the normal makeup remover wipes, it didn't matter what brand it was, it would always irritate my skin and I almost felt like little micro scratches, and so I didn't like that. But with this, I have no complaints. It is a really good investment. One thing I forgot to say was this works best with warm water, so I'll go ahead and show you guys really quickly. I have nothing on here, just the rag. I definitely don't feel like I have makeup after I use this. Like, it's crazy. I don't know what's the witchery, but this definitely takes my makeup off. Now, of course, I'm not just like, okay, whoop, 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 I'm done. No, I always like to add micellar water to whatever is the cleanest, just because I do like that extra cleanness to make sure I'm getting all that bacteria out of my face. Okay, I don't want no gunk on my face. I just want it all removed. So I go ahead and put a little micellar water, remove any excess makeup that I think I might have, which I usually don't have any, and then I'm done. Or I might use the other one to exfoliate my face with my face wash. Honestly, these are so convenient. Like, they're really easy. There's no high maintenance to it. I like to section it off, so depending on how many times I use it, I wear makeup and I'm removing it, I'll save certain spots for my makeup to be removed. It's very easy to clean. You just throw it in the wash and then you just dry it and then you use it. And then I like to have multiple ones just in case for some bizarre reason I've already gone through these. I like to have backups, and that's very nice in my opinion, and it saves me a lot of money. Who's not trying to save money out here? I don't know. I highly recommend these to you guys. I give it a 10 daisy heads because I absolutely love this. I haven't found it that it's ripped or anything like that. I recommend this if you are tired of wasting your money on makeup removers and you want to be a better human being and just stop being so wasteful. I highly recommend this to you. But yeah guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys found this video informative. Comment down below any questions you have. Follow me on Instagram. Share this video. Subscribe if you're new, maybe, perhaps. But yeah guys, have yourselves a great rest of your day. Bye!